Hey everybody, and welcome back to witchfan.com, and today we are looking at our wonderful new app with its lovely new interface, as you can see on the screen there. Okay, so we're just going to dive straight in and click on that continue button. So here we are faced with the conversions control panel, and we'll just quickly run through the menu there. So on the left side we've got flow rate, pressure, length, temperature and IP ratings, and on the right we have derating, fan laws, velocity, motor speeds and bores, and airflow direction. So don't forget, this app is on Android and the iOS store, so get on over, download it and have a little play around, because you will love it. So onwards and upwards, on with flow rate. So once you click on flow rate, you are presented with the flow rate screen. Enter the volume. What we done there was clicked on the enter volume, and then we can just put in the volume, click on done. So depending on which unit of measure you're using, so in this instance we'll say meters cubed a second, as you can see the button is highlighted there so you know which one it is that you're using. And on the right side under the results there, you have the results in meters cubed a second, meters cubed a minute, meters cubed an hour, CFM and litres a second. And obviously if you click on any of the other buttons on the left side there, it changes automatically. As you can see, really simple to use, no hunting about for different units of measure, no hunting about for different units of measure for the result. It's all there, straight in front of you, simple to use, quick view, you got your results. Let's go back to the main menu. We're going to look at the pressure. As you can see, it's pretty much the same. 250 PA, we'll say. And as you can see on the right there, it converts it to millimeter water gauge, inch water gauge, and millibar. Millimeter water gauge converts it all again, and so on and so forth. As you can see at the bottom there is like brief instructions on how to use it, but you know, once you've sort of like opened it up and had a play around, it is really easy to use. Length again, 100 millimeters. You've got all your lengths on the left side there, which is like your different units of measure, and then you've got your results on the right there, again in those same units of measure: millimeter, centimeter, meter, inch and feet. Temperature, so on this one we went with Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, say 36 Celsius. So you got there, converts it to Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Fahrenheit converts to Celsius and Kelvin converts to Celsius and Fahrenheit. Again, instructions at the bottom there, again real easy to use. IP ratings, we default this on IP54, but you've got the buttons at the top there, 54, 55, 56 and 65. If there are any other IP ratings you want on there, just let us know and we'll add it on there. So all the different ones tells you what they are. I guess there's an aid and memoir, a derating. So we'll put 5.5. Click on calculate and it tells you what the motor power is at that temperature. So at 50 degrees C you'd only get 5.12 kilowatts out of the motor. 55 you'd only get 4.84, and so on and so forth. It's real simple to use. Again, you don't have to go scrolling through different menus. You don't have to, you know, it's real easy. Go back to the main menu. Fan laws. Put in your old or your initial speed. put in your new speed. I'm sure those of you out there that know how all this works will say, oh yeah, it'd be half the volume, quarter the pressure, and you'll be right. So if you say 2.5, we'll go for an easy one that's like 100 PA, okay? And then click calculate. So there you go, look, half the volume, quarter the pressure. Bosh, easily done. Nice easy instructions on the right hand side. Just can't go wrong. Fan laws, velocity, stick in your fan diameter, stick in the volume, no, say 20, and then stick it. I mean, you don't have to stick in, you can just put in one or the other. I mean, if you just wanted to know what the volume, if you just wanted to know what the velocity is on a 1250 diameter casing with a volume flow rate of 20 meters cubed a second, you can just get that if you like, or vice versa, or you can just do both. So 16.3, this should give us the same 20. Obviously the input volume there is no decimal. We didn't put decimal. Okay, motor speeds and bores. Again, this is just an aid memoir. Give you a brief look to see which one's which. 63 frames, 11mm bore or shaft size. The different motor speeds, a pole, etc. That's 50 and 60 hertz. And airflow directions, we've got A, over the motor, through the impeller, or B, through the impeller, over the motor. Real easy, real simple. Go back to the main menu. You can just use whatever you want. So don't forget, this can be found on both iOS market and the Android market, and you can download the software and use to your heart's content. So don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to our channel, where I'm sure we'll be bringing you more videos. We'll see you next time.